Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch and I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Basically how to mute and unmute the notifications on your watch. So let's get started. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons actually. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode you can simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, it will be highlighted. And then you can press the lower button to go, not lower, my bad, upper button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face, you probably will see also the icon of the Do Not Disturb mode. We have it right here on this watch face, which shows you that Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, you will see the message D&D mode off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, it won't be highlighted anymore. And the icon from the watch face will disappear, which means that the mode is disabled. So that's how you do it manually, but you can also set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, which will basically turn it on automatically and turn it off automatically. And it is a very nice option and I recommend to use it. And to do it, we need to open the settings on our watch. So open the menu by pressing the upper button, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, look for the D&D, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here we have all day D&D, so if you select this option, it will turn on the D&D mode and keep it on until you turn it off. Then we have the off option, so if you select this one, the D&D will be turned off, the Do Not Disturb mode. And here we have the schedule on. And if you select this option, tap on the check mark, it will enable the schedule, and here we can set it up. We can tap on start time and change the time on which the schedule will be turning on. So I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30 p.m. Okay, then we have the end, oh my bad, that's the start time. Then we have the end time, so basically when it turns off. And I'm gonna set it to something like 8:30 a.m. like this. And now I have my schedule. It will turn on at 10:30 p.m., turn off at 8:30 a.m., and it will do it automatically. So that's how it works. And if you go back to watch face, you won't see any changes right here because the schedule will be enabled and it will be turning on and off the Do Not Disturb mode automatically. And if you want to disable the schedule, of course, you need to go to settings, go to D&D, and select off to turn it off. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.